Good morning and welcome to a Monday in my life. Today is definitely feeling like a Monday in not the best way, but I'm determined to turn that around. Our morning has been a little bit chaotic. I've been up since 5 and not in the productive way, in the way that my daughter has been up since 5. I've had a slow morning and had a routine and I'm feeling better. I took an everything shower, so I'm feeling fresh and clean, and I love a reset in that area. I always feel great whenever I wash my hair. So this morning we are going to run to the grocery store because we were out of groceries, and I'm just gonna get the groceries for the week. And then I'm just gonna bring you along on my Monday as we kind of set up and prep for the week. Mondays are really crucial in my routine. They're where I kind of like plan the week ahead and really set everything up to where we're good for the rest of the week. So I love a good Monday. My daughter seems to maybe have an ear infection, so we're gonna go to the doctor this afternoon, which feels very Monday. So I think that's why this morning has just felt a little bit long. Loving the weather. It has been so hot outside, but it's finally feeling like summer. I feel like if I step outside for like 5 minutes, I get a little bit of a tan. And the days have just been gorgeous around here. And we redid our patio, which I'm saving that for Instagram. So if you don't follow me over there, you definitely should. I'm like doing a whole series over there about like redoing it. But we have furniture out there. It's so cozy. So we spent a little bit of our morning out there. I need to find my phone because I need to plan our groceries for the week, and I always do that like in my notes app. My phone is never where I think it is. Closet. It was in the closet. I feel like I've walked y'all through how I plan our groceries quite a few times, but if you haven't heard me talk about it before, I just essentially plan at least like 4 meals for the week that we'll cook at home, and then get the groceries for that. And then just depending on like what we're in the mood for each day, I'll make it. I kind of like plan it out a little bit, but it can also be flexible. My brother and sister-in-law, they just had a baby last week, so I will be bringing them dinner this week. So I need to get things for that as well. And we'll probably be doing a lot of Blackstone dinners this week because the weather's gorgeous. We can eat outside and I'm loving it. I love summer. So I'm gonna sit down, plan the meals out, and then we'll head to the grocery store. Something that I do that I don't love doing but is good for the wallet is I will first go to Aldi to get any meat and organic produce that they have, and then whatever I couldn't find there, I will go to a regular grocery store. I really don't like going to multiple different grocery stores, but the money you save is totally worth it. Their grass-fed ground beef and free-range chicken is the most affordable you can find anywhere, and it tastes really good. So we'll see if they have any. Sometimes they're out, and then we'll go to Kroger. But that's a little tip if you're trying to save money and you're shopping on a budget. Well, I just spent $200 at Kroger. I honestly don't even know how. I'm really confused. I did get like ingredients to make like cookies and things. I don't know. Inflation's crazy and I'm still not used to it. Okay, I'm still putting away groceries, but I'm pausing because I just need to get Elena fed and then down for her nap because we have a doctor's appointment, and so I'll probably have to wake her up early from her nap. So I'm gonna get her fed. The kitchen is such a mess, so we're gonna clean up after she eats and once she's down for a nap. We're on a cardigan because I am absolutely freezing and we've got a lot of work to do. The kitchen is a disaster. Like, it's so bad. But the problem is I need some energy. I'm starting to fade, okay? I think I'm gonna reach for an electrolyte packet, and I'm really excited because this is from Element, and they now have the lemonade iced tea flavor that has caffeine. I am so excited to be partnering with Element on today's video. If you guys don't know what Element is, it is my absolute favorite electrolyte brand. Their electrolyte drink mixes have everything you need and nothing that you don't, which means no junk, no filler, no sugar. And they use a science-backed electrolyte ratio of 1,000 milligrams of sodium, 200 milligrams of potassium, and 60 milligrams of magnesium. And their new flavor, this lemonade iced tea, has 50 milligrams of caffeine. So this is news to me, but your body actually produces energy on a process that runs on electrolytes and not caffeine. So if you're depleted in electrolytes, no amount of caffeine is going to fix your slump or lack of energy, and that's why you feel like a major crash after drinking like a ton of coffee or a lot of caffeine. So that is why this drink mix is another level of just amazing. And not to mention, they taste so good. That is why I love Element. Like, I am just not a normal water drinker. It just doesn't do it for me. I really struggle to drink water. So not only does it help me because it has electrolytes, but it also helps me drink more water because it tastes good. They also just came out with a pink lemonade flavor, which I think this is like my new favorite flavor. But I also love their raspberry salt, their citrus salt, their lemonade salt. If you guys want, you can head to drinkelement.com/Jaclyn, and this will get you a free 8-count sample pack of their best-selling flavors with any purchase. If you want to try some of their flavors out, it's a great way to do it. I will have it linked in my description box. Now that I'm fueling my body, let's drink this and also clean the kitchen because I did not even clean for breakfast. So it's a mess and there's still some groceries that need to be put away. I know this is going to make my head feel so much clearer. I feel so much better having the kitchen clean and kind of just like the whole house is reset and tidy, which is what I needed. So now I'm going to do some work. Mondays are important work days for me because I feel like I just plan out my week, figure out what all I need to do and everything like that, reply from emails over the weekend. And I was in my cousin's wedding on Thursday and Friday, so I am very behind on emails. So that's what I'm gonna work on for a little bit, just kind of get all caught up and then also plan out my week. It's funny because I feel like it's like breaking the third wall whenever I talk about like my work when this is my work, filming and stuff like that. But it is a lot more behind the scenes than you'd probably realize. Emails to me are just the absolute worst. Do not enjoy it at all, and thankfully I have a management team who really does take care of a lot for me, which I'm so grateful for. So they do a lot, but it's still a lot of communication and back and forth. I need to do some catching up. Wrapped up my work. I'm getting a little bit of a snack in. And I forgot to mention that I put some sweet potatoes in the oven for this week. It's like a small way that I meal prep Elena's food. She loves sweet potatoes. So I'm just letting them cool right now. And then I'll put those in the fridge. And that way I can just like grab at them throughout the week whenever we need it. It's 2 o'clock right now. We have to leave in like 20 minutes to head to the doctor. I don't think she has an ear infection, but she was pulling at her ear a lot yesterday, but she seems a lot better today. So I think it will be fine, but it's just better safe than sorry. I just want to make sure that it's good before it gets like too bad. If she does have one, then we'll probably come back and get right into cooking dinner. Tonight we're making an easy sheet pan dinner. I feel like Mondays I always want a super quick and easy meal, and I just find a sheet pan dinner is the best. So we're gonna be making fajitas. So I've got bell peppers, onions, because I love onions, and chicken. And then we also have tortillas and then some avocado that we can put on top. Very simple, very easy, and delicious. So I'm gonna chop all these veggies, get everything on the pan, and throw it in the oven. Okay, we are done with dinner. Sam is at Bible study tonight, like his men's Bible study. And we're gonna go for a walk. I love walking at the end of the day just to kind of close the day, pass some time. And Elena loves it too. So I feel like it's a good way to just end the day. Okay, the house is closed, kitchen is clean, shades are down. Elena is asleep and I'm getting in bed. It's only 8 p.m., which is like kind of crazy. But this is my preferred get in bed time and I'm very excited. So I'm gonna get my PJs on, get cozy. I took a shower. One thing about me, I'm always taking a shower. I feel like I take 2 showers a day, which is maybe a little bit crazy, but it's how I relax. I am waiting for Sammy to get home. So in the meantime, I'm gonna read this book. I'm starting a new book. My brother brought this over last night, was like, it was so good, I want you to read it. And he's never recommended a book to me. It's a historical fiction, which I love historical fiction. So I'm gonna get started on. He said it's like a few different point of views and like past, present, which I really like those kind of like timelines and things. Anyway, I'm very excited to start this. So I'm gonna kick off my night and leave you guys here. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today. It didn't feel as productive as I hoped, but at the same time, like this is my normal Monday. I don't know why I feel like I have to like entertain you guys. Like I just need to remember like I'm literally just filming my life. And this is my life and I love it. So thank you guys so much for watching and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.